Nduma no ithiete na mbere gutumanira uria wari minista wa mathako Rashid Echesa na uria waikirie ngono kiumia kihituku agikuruhanio na thogora ya ciringi birioni 40 ya ngungo ya MATHARAITA gwati. Ni thutha wa rugamiria ministry ya ugitiri odumwe na wabici ya munini wa mutongoria wa bururi ari imwe cia wabici rigwetetwo na njira nene cira-ini wa Echesa kweyeherania na ndeto ino kaimana. Kuringana na ndumiriri iria itumirwo nyumba-ini cia mohoro ni arugamiria ministry ya ugitiri maugite matire mahuthira Echesa uguri-ini wa MATHARAITA mothe na ni kuri mitaratara mikinyaniru iria huthikaga thogora-ini ta ino. Ndumiriri ya kuma wabici-ini ya munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto kuria kuratuika ni ku Echesa tuganire na rugamiria kambuni iria yari irehe MATHARAITA maya ikiuga ni ma Echesa ni ari wabici-ini no ona gutuika Ruto ndari kuona uguo ndabatie kunyitithanio githiururi-ini giki. Echesa kinyiro igoti-ini ria milimani umuthe mbere ya mucirithania Kennedy Cheriot uria wathanire arekererio na mbundi ya ciringi mirioni imwe kuria thomeirwo mahitia 12 ari hamwe na guthondeka maratathi ma maheni kwigwatira mbeca akihuthira maheni gatagati ka maundu mangi kuria mawakiri ake mamuteteire guku makiuga aragerera maya mothe kurumira murugamo wake wa kiuteti.
Institute of this court under Article 13 to protect, promote and fulfill the values of the Constitution. Part of those values, Your Honor, is to be transparent, the process to have integrity, and the process to be accountable. It cannot be accountable where the state is admitting that there's a parallel process moving on. And I urge the court to release the accused person on free bond, pending the state making up its mind on what they want.
Kuratuika Echesa ni areketie kuhiuria kambuni Eco Advanced Technologies Company ciringi mirioni 11.5 na kiraniro kiate ni kumateithia kuheo kandarathi ya kurehe MATHARAITA guku bururi-ini thogora iria ari agunike na ciringi birioni 40.
You have a compelling reason because I have searched high and low, and in this particular document, which again you will not even allow, is at best weak.